Hi guys! First we need 2 3D bars and a wooden strip that we will cut in half, and we will do the holes to insert the bars. We block the bars with the washers and nuts. By a pallet axis, we obtain the knobs where we insert the nuts that will tighten the clamp. We finish with the protective layer. I added a reinforcement nut and the clamp of the pour is finished. Easy to build, but very functional. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for don't miss the future videos.